Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to export brushes from Krita. So if you would like to do it, first you need to go to Settings tab and then you need to open Manage Resources. Then this window will be successfully displayed and we need to click on Create a Bundle button. So I click on it and now we need to type here a name for the bundle. For example, I type here Simple Brush. Of course, you can type here description, author, email, website, license, and icon if you want. And you can select the location where you want to save your brush. After that, you need to find here available brush that you want to export. For example, I select this one brush and I click on this arrow to select it. And after that, we need to click Save button and we need to click Close button. Now brush has been successfully exported from Krita, and you can find it in defined location. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.